Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to record a phone call in your iPhone. So actually this process is not available on the iOS itself because iOS doesn't include a built-in call recording feature due to privacy laws. But if you open App Store and search for the application, which is the third-party application call recorder, and search that, you can find every single application that can record your calls. Maybe let's use this application, I don't know why, and verify our installation using our Face ID. Now, as you can see, we can open this application and tap Allow. As I'm not to track, continue, and unfortunately here, as you can see, we do have 3-day free trial. So I don't really recommend this type of applications, but just set up this application for yourself, and then you can easily record your calls. But I don't really recommend using this type of applications because they are third party, and yeah, so on. Of course, respect your privacy and the person's privacy. So yeah, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.